everyone, my name is Aley. Welcome to my channel. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use sketch relations. Sketch relations is very important in SolidWorks. Without relations, your sketch become loose and messy. And with the sketch relations, your design and your sketch becomes strong and correct. So let's get started together. At the first time, select the front plan and select the sketch and select the line and select the origin. Okay. If I move my cursor to the right and left, I see the vertical line or sign, and if I move to the up and down, you can see the vertical sign and horizontal sign. Can you see it? Okay. So I would like to create this one, this, and this. So it's not fully defined and it's out of control. It means you cannot control your sketch. If I want to click two line, there is the two way. The one way is left mouse and move your cursor to the right and select this one and this one, and you can see the perpendicular, parallel, equal, and so on. So I would like to use the perpendicular first, and I would like to use a vertical and horizontal. Okay, move it. So I would like to use center line. I would like to use center line to make dimension as a degree. So for example, 65. Okay. And now I want to use 88, 50, 3, and so on. So it's a fully defined, is a correct sketch. So let's try again together. At the first time, use the line. For example, if I make a mistake, don't worry. Select this line, select the make horizontal. There are two ways to use or make a relation. So at the first time, if you click the line, a box appear, and on the left side on your screen, you can see the horizontal, vertical, and fixed. So I recommend use the easy way to choose relation. So create this one and create this one again, and this one and this one. Okay, let's try again together. This one, select this one, hold control and select this one, perpendicular, select this one, and use vertical. Now select dimensions to use correct degree, and actually is the 90 exactly. So select dimension, smart dimension, select 30 and select 70 and 35. It's completely fully defined. Now I want to use another way to create this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, I would like to use dimensions as a degree. This dimension is 90. Okay, but you can use the perpendicular. Yeah, but sometimes you don't want to change this one. Okay, and select this one. Or sometimes you want to use a midpoint. For example, this is select this one to select midpoint and hold control and select this point and use horizontal. So it means it's exactly we use midpoint and select 120 and select this one and select, yeah. And I would like to use another relation. For example, if I used equal, maybe we have the problem. For example, I click this one, and use the equal. So what happened, because we used the over fully defined sketch. So if I delete this one, this edge and this line and this line is the same dimension. For example, 100 exactly. It's equal 100. Yeah. So I would like to create this one, and this one. Okay, and use the line. Maybe I click this, and this one. So maybe you have the problem to how to connect this line to the circle. Select this point and select and hold Control and select this one and use Coincident. But it's not tangent. I would like to use the tangent. So click again, slide, and the circle is tangent. Yeah, you can use the drag and drop to make a coincident. Let's try again. Select this point and move it to close the circle. Okay, but it's not tangent, so I try to make a tangent. Okay, and another way, select this one and select this one to make a tangent, or select this one to make a tangent again. Okay, and this one as well, and select the tangent, select tangent. Okay, and select, okay, select this one. Okay, select this one, and this one, and use equal, move it up. So, and now I want to get this one and this one to make it horizontal. So I would like to use a midpoint. Okay, right click, select midpoint, select. So I would like to use a midpoint. Right click, select midpoint, hold Control and select this point and use vertical. Stop. And I want to use equal. So if you want to select all of them, you have to hold Control, select this one, and leave Control and make equal. Stop. Okay. Use dimensions 100. So, and I would like to, and all of them is 400, 400, and 400. It's the same. Okay. And now I would like to use the trim. I would like to use the trim to make this shape. And I would like to use arc, and it's a completely vertical. So I would like to use the line, and after that use this point to make this, select tangent, and again select this one, use the vertical, use the horizontal and vertical, and select tangent again. Okay, it's 200. And another way is I would like to move your cursor to the left, and after that the circle appear with tangent mode. So like this one. So it's a tangent. It's very easier. Okay, let's try again. And try again. Tangent. And again tangent. You can see the sine tangent and horizontal, and select this one. So it's a tangent and it's a tangent. So I would like to use the parallel. What is the parallel exactly? For example, if I create this one use this line and make a parallel, and this one parallel, okay? And use vertical. So it's parallel, yeah, this is, and this one is parallel, this one and this one is parallel. And you can use this one make equal, and this one and this one make equal. But okay, and I want to make dimension degree 25 and make this one and make this one and this one equal. So I would like to create this one, okay. Select the line, this line, and select the center line and use Collinear. It's done. So if I want to click this one, select this one and make coincident, you can join together. Without use the dimension, you can use fix. What is the fix? If I click this line and this line, or all line, use the fix. It's completely fully defined. But you cannot use the dimensions because it's fixed. You cannot change it. The SolidWorks not allowed to change dimension because it's a fix. So how can I to it's a problem. Okay. And how can I to know my sketch relations? Click this sign, select the eye to hide and show, and select the view sketch relations, and you can see all your relations. So I would like to delete this one, and this one. So, and after that I would like to hide. And now I would like to create sketch with use all relations. For example, click this one and use the vertical, this one, and create scale, circle, and this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, let's make a correct relation. Okay, maybe use dimension, select this one, parallel, select this one, again parallel, and select this one to make a tangent. Okay. And now 15, okay, and this 60. Okay, and make this one. Okay. And select this one and this one to make Collinear. Okay. Select radius to 50. Okay. And select this one. Same. Okay. So it's completely fully defined. And we use parallel, we use tangent, we use Collinear, and so on. If you want to how to create this sketch step by step in SolidWorks, please follow me to next lesson. So if you enjoy this video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe and leave the comment below this video. So I would like to solve your problem, or if you have any problem, so I would like to help you. Thank you very much.